got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle gold grills tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique.
Always in, always popular, the two-tone sunburst grills, y'all. It's white gold on the inside, yellow gold on the outside. Got the full polish, sunburst cut on every tooth. This is something very special, something very proud moment always when a client gets these, because it gives off that almost that diamond look, but just a plain gold grill. It's got some cuts on there though. And as you see right behind this little border on the inside of the teeth, takes up the shape of each tooth. You got white gold behind there, y'all. Now this is 10K, so it's you can view it, but you know, it'd be a lot more if you go darker, say you go 14K, 18K, it'll really be a little bit more prevalent. We can always gold plate it that color, say give you a, say it's 10K, we give you, it's 10K solid gold. Then we give you like a 14K or 18K dipping on top of that. Then that'll really make it stand out. But just, you gotta, we'll do that upon request. Just let us know, guys. Little extra charge for that, but no worries. Financing is available on the website, guys, and anything on the website. Just add to cart. Let's everybody try it. Add to cart. And then on the checkout, if you want to try the financing from ACIMA, or if you have financing through Affirm, or financing through Klarna, or want to do the Shopify installments, where you can split it up into 4 interest-free payments, y'all. From anywhere from $500 up to $3,000 on the Shopify installments. So yeah, go see Fred, man. Appreciate you guys for all the love and support, for checking in, supporting the channel. You guys are the absolute amazing, most amazing clients in the world. Thank you, everybody that's so patient with us, that realize stuff does happen, guys. It's never me personally doing anything to anybody, guys. I want to realize that I'll be feeling the same type of grief as some people, man. But I appreciate you guys, nevertheless. Love and support, y'all. 206-250-0833. If we don't answer, just shoot us a nice little text over. We'll get right back with you. All right, now. Peace.